Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, comment in the section below, let me know your scent of the day, let me know what you're rocking, and let me know your favorite fragrance. So with all that being said, let's get started. Now today's fragrance is Beautiful Belle by Estee Lauder. This fragrance came out in 2018. It's a flanker of the 1985 Beautiful. Now, it doesn't smell like the Beautiful, but you can tell there's a hint of that Beautiful in it, just a hint of the Beautiful. But this fragrance smells so good. And I know I say all the time that fragrances smell really good, but I'm only going to review fragrances that smell good, not unless I blind buy a fragrance and then it's kind of like up in the air. Don't really know if it's going to smell good or not smell good, but this one smells delicious and it is beautiful. Again, Beautiful Belle. There is the, hopefully you can see it. And here's the cap. Oh, soul of this scent. The main accords in this fragrance is yellow floral, white floral, sweet, tuberose, musk. It smells delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Yum. So let's go ahead and spray a little bit of this. It is gorgeous. This fragrance is gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Before I go on to the notes, I need to take a sip of wine. That's how gorgeous it is. The wine is delicious. The fragrance is delicious. I'm having a good day with beautiful things around me. So let's get into the notes. So you have the top notes, which is Mimosa, rose, and Litchi. You're probably saying, what is Litchi? Litchi is a fruit from the tropical tree native to southeastern China. The middle notes are my favorite notes. Favorite notes, because the scents, I love them. You have Gardenia, you have Tuberose, and you have orange blossom, my favorite. And then for the base notes, you have Musk, Suede, Marzipan, which smells delightful. Now you're probably saying, well, what is Marzipan? Marzipan is a confection consisting of sugar, honey, and almond milk. And when it dries down, you can literally smell the almond coming out of it. But right now, I'm smelling musk right now. I'm smelling gardenia and orange blossom. Even though it hasn't settled into the middle notes, which takes about 2 hours, it hasn't settled into that, but oh, it smells so good. Now, as far as longevity goes, it lasts about 4 hours. So I definitely would get the Travalo that I talk about, and anything that I mentioned, the links will be in the description below. I would definitely get it. I show you how to clean it, not me personally, but there's a video on how to clean it and also how to load it up. Okay, so make sure you check out those links below. So again, if you're going to the gym, you want to spruce yourself up a little bit, definitely take that with you. In the office, definitely take it with you, so you'll have that fragrance for the whole day, so people can just tell you how good you smell. I literally have had people come up to me and say, you smell really good, like what are you wearing? And I tell them, like, oh my gosh, thank you. I'm going to run to the store and get this right now. Well, they don't say that, but they do indicate that they do want to get that fragrance as soon as possible. That's how good it smells. It smells so good. So that's all I have to say about this cologne today. Definitely put it on your list to get. I just don't know how much more to explain how good it smells. I definitely give this a 10. So that is my recommendation for this. I highly recommend it. Go check it out. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. And if you want to know the wine that I'm drinking, it's in the description below. Cheers.